Within the detail section, you can have the ability to load a record from file. Where this would come in handy would be if someone has sent you a large order. It allows for quicker, faster processing and accuracy. So we're going to go ahead and add that order that we attached to the file. When we add the orders, we do have to do some mapping. We have to tell Acumatica where it goes. So we know that this is going to be our inventory ID. This is going to be our item description. And this is how many of that item they want to purchase. So we're doing some brief mapping. Once we have these items filled in, we click OK, and Acumatica will load that purchase order from the file. The reason we would want to do this is to have more accuracy, be able to refer back to the customer that this is the data that they provided, and ease and quickness of getting those orders processed. As you will see in just a few seconds, it loaded many, many lines of items that needed to be processed.